Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, we'll learn how you can set up Google Analytics account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. So firstly, what are analytics? These are kinds of insights for your account or page so that you can grow it even more. They'll tell you about the more crucial information like people's interest or what they can do with your page and their interactions. So, for example, Meta Creator Studio. This tool basically provides you the basic information about the performance of your videos across your pages. Let's get started. First of all, go to your Google Analytics website and start by creating and setting up your account. It starts with your name. You can set any name for your account. It can be anything random, but we must keep it professional as it is for our business purposes. And after that, it says about data sharing settings. It is about the settings related to your business profile. You can leave it as default or you can check mark anything to your preference. I'm going to leave them as default, then click on next. The next step is about property creation. Simply, it measures how to behave with websites or apps based on your provided data. The first column is again about the name of your property, and again you can choose any name you like. You can also select time zone. By default it is on United States, but if you're in another time zone you can select it accordingly. And after that, then comes the currency. It will decide the transaction medium of your analytics. You can select your preferred currency, but it can be uniform if you select a universal one. Okay, so after that, if you notice, you can also see a show advanced option button. If you open it, it will bring you to advanced settings and universal analytics property. But since we are new to this, I'll leave this section as it is and click on next. The third step is about business details. In simple words, you'll have to explain the type of business you want to run Google Analytics on, and you can select any business like gaming, food, marketing, finance, health, and etc. And after that, then you'll have to select the number of employees in your business. It can be a team of 10, 100, or maybe it can be a large company consisting of 500 plus employees. After that, click on done and click on next to move to next step. The fourth step consists of the business objectives. Objectives are based on the type of your business, but more or less of them are same for a majority of them. So first one is about interacting new customers. The second is about analyzing purchase behavior of customers. The third one is about marketing and spreading word about your business. Fourth is about the behavior of your customer. And the last one is the report about everything related to your business. If you select last option, all the other options will get unchecked as it is the combination of everything present. Alright, so after selecting the objective, just tap on the create button. The Google Analytics Terms of Services agreement will pop up. You can select your country. By default, United States is selected. Just check the I accept box and click on next. And boom, your Google Analytics are created. You can further make changes, but for right now, I'm going to click on skip. It will take you to this page. Scroll down and click on continue to home to make changes to your Google Analytics account. Now, this is the home page of your Analytics account. Here, select the option to your preference. You can select iOS application, Android application, or any website. You can also check reports from the left side menu. So first of all, go back to the home page and select web as data collection base. It will ask for your website URL, type in and also type the stream name. Click on create stream. It will then show the stream details. You'll be able to see your stream name, stream URL, stream ID, and measurement ID. It will also show some extra details below, but you can leave them as they are. Now click on view tag instruction and new window will be popped up. Type in the URL of your website and select the platform of your website. There are many options available to see more. Click on show more and a list of all the suggested platforms will appear. Now choose a platform. You can also install it manually, but you must have the basic information and knowledge about it in order to install manually. Now simply copy the code given below and paste it in every page of your website to install Google Tags. You can either copy it by selecting all of it and pressing Ctrl+C, and you can also click on the copy and paste button in the upper right corner, and you're done here. That's how you can set up and install Google Analytics step by step. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.